That one yeah, grab them. That one yeah, grab them. That one yeah, grab them.
Hey, what's happening? What's going on? Wagwan and hola. I am Tiffany and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hey. If you're not, what's up? Well, I got hella items from Shein and I just want to show you guys what I got. I got two very large packages from Shein and I have not opened them. This one is a bigger package. It is big, okay, and then this one is a smaller package. I think I'm gonna open the smaller package first because it seems less intimidating. I don't remember what I ordered. This will feel kind of like Christmas. Let me open up this first smaller package. Here's my scissors. All right, so my items there. The first thing that I pulled out the package is this. It's a nice breathable knit top. This is cute and I got it because I thought it would look really nice against my skin. The next thing I got, so here they are. I like the waistband right there. These cute. They're nice and stretchy too, so that's a thing. Cute, okay. Then I got black leggings. They're shiny material, nice waistband. We love that. And yes, this is them. Cute. It's getting really hot, so I had to turn my fan on, so that's the noise that you hear in the background. Let me adjust my iPad here. That's better. Next is crisscross tie back flap detail crop shirt and skirt. Okay, so this is it. I love this color blue. When I saw it, I was like, okay, I don't have that many blue items. Look at the detail on it. Like, what? And this is how the cropped bottom of the shirt looks. I like sleeves like this. I have a sleeve on kind of like that today, a bell sleeve. It just adds a little extra razzle dazzle, you know, to the outfit. And then this is a skirt. There's a zipper in the back and the tie is in the back and it wraps around. The material is nice. Like, it's a nice thick material. This is cute. What is this? Girl, I got a lint brush. Okay, I didn't really need this for real. Next is this travel size lint brush or lint roller. I guess, you know, if I'm at work or something, I got lint on me, I just zoom, 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 zoom. Or traveling, you know. And it folds up really small. Fits in the palm of my hands. So, yeah. So that's all. Wait, don't, no, that's not all. That's not all. We have some jewelry. We have some jewelry here. Okay. This looks like something similar to the chain I got on. The Cuban links, okay, but they are not Cuban. Okay, they from Shein, baby. I got two of them because I always buy in two. Yeah, they was a good price, and I got them because that's what we do. Okay, so that's everything in this bag. Let's move on to the big bag. All right, so we moving on to the big bag, big boy, big things. Okay, baby. All right, so open up. Ooh, look how stuffed it is in here. Take this out first. So this is an olive green dress. That's what it says on the screen. So I like the color and it looks good on my skin. The little wrap in the front. Next, I'm just pulling out the bag at this point. It's tight too. Ooh. This is a khaki skirt. Oh, this is a skirt that I ordered for vacation. It's not really giving vacation for real. Unless I'm going to Antarctica. This is the bottom. It's fringy. And now that I'm feeling it, this is thick as hell. Let's just put that to the side, okay? I ordered this woven bag because I was like, this would be cute with the skirt. Here it is. It's very light. Like, this is kind of cheap. It's light as hell. Like, it has a zipper. Is this straw? It's a straw bag. Yeah, it's a straw bag. That's why it's so damn light. I can't even unzip it. Like, the zipper is stuck. Hold up now. Hold up. Oh, there we go. Okay, so got it to unzip. Here's the inside. It's cute though. So this and then the skirt. That's why I got them to go together. Next is the Easy Wear Flap Pocket Paisley Print Crop Jacket. Why is everything crop? Girl. Okay. And I got this because I thought this purple was pretty and I like the paisley prints, kind of quilty looking detail on it. I like that. I like the big pockets on it. I just thought this was cute and different. Cute. It looks exactly like the picture. Mustard yellow dress. It has almost like a sweetheart neckline. Those are the buckles. It's ribbed. It's a short dress. It is kind of thin though. Next, this item is giving Chanel. I ordered this because it was giving very much like vintage Chanel. Okay, vintage Chanel fashions. With a little ruff right there. It should have had white on the cuff, like a little white trim on the cuff. It's giving 1989 Chanel. I like that look. Gold buttons. Baby, look at this. Tell me this ain't cute. Yes. And then it does have black detailing on the cuff of the sleeve. Yeah. Girl, we got the patent leather bustier top. Ooh. Okay. It's not a thong. It's a regular bag, but it's kind of cheeky. Okay. And the back is regular, like polyester. And the front is patent leather. Okay, dominatrix. Okay. Next, we have this multicolored dress. Has a little neck piece on there. This is cute. This dress is like a lava lamp. Next in line, what is it? Oh, okay, 2-piece. This is a 3-piece. 1, 2, and 3. Look at the drawers. And this is the belt piece. Like what? I'm gonna rock the hell out of this on vacation. Period. Next. This is that shirt. It's like a padded 1980s type of look. It's knit. It's cropped. I got this because of the shoulders. I thought this was cute. I like vintage pieces, if you can't tell. And then I added with like something modern. It's cute. Yo. Okay, hold up. So the second to last clothing piece is this snakeskin shirt. It is see-through. I got this because it's cute. Like, it's green. Look at the color on my skin. Like, this emerald green with the black. It has a little neck piece on there. Long sleeve. But it's cute. Last clothing piece is... What is this? Hold up. Oh, I didn't know it was gonna be furry. Oh, hell nah. It's furry. It's furry. Like, it's like that itchy. Okay, so the inside of it is not furry. It has like a nice little lining. But the outside part is furry. Like, check the detail. It's furry. Ooh, child. This is a winter dress with a jacket and some boots for sure. I'm still rocking though. Last but not least, these little bracelets right here. They're giving Cartier, but they not. They Shein. It's like a replica of the Cartier bracelets, bangles, but for way cheaper. And who doesn't like that? I do. Okay, I got 2 of those because I always buy in 2s when I'm buying jewelry. I like to wear them on both wrists. Oh, these must be anklets. Of course, they're matching. 2 sets. I mean, I guess I could take it out of the bag. So this is what it looks like. So that is the end of this haul. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys liked these items that I got. Comment down below, let me know which item did you like the best. So give me a thumbs up, comment down below. Be sure to subscribe to this channel. Tell a friend and tell a friend and tell a friend, and I will see y'all next time. Later.
That one, yeah, grab them. That one, yeah, grab them.